everyone, Amanda here. I'm just here to share the new Tropic catalogues with you. If you have requested the catalogues from me, you'll be getting these two in the post. I'm just going to do a really quick flick through and have a little bit of a chat. So we've got the luxury gift guide here, which is full of festive essentials for 2019. I'll share that with you. That is all of the gift sets that you could purchase for, you know, the holiday season or for any time of the year, and get them and put them away for birthdays. Treat yourself to some. And this is the main catalogue, and this will run through till next year, and this is issue 15. Not an awful lot's changed from the last catalogue because the core products are such firm favourites. You know, it's not the kind of company to keep on changing things every 5 minutes, which is really, really good. So as soon as we open the catalogue, we see our lovely founder there, the fantastic Susie Ma, who is an absolute inspiration to me. She's a fantastic young entrepreneur, very, very young for what she's achieved. And she's built this business, and with the help of Lord Alan Sugar, it is just absolutely skyrocketing. It is a fantastic time to get aboard the Tropic company as an ambassador. I've joined. This is the second direct selling company that I am part of, and it really is helping me with my income. It's boosting my income. It's boosting my social circles and meeting new people. It's boosting me being in other circles of things, and it's really, really nice. And it is promoted very much as a business. You know, this is not a hobby, this is business, and you genuinely can make real money from this. There are ladies who are earning in excess of £20,000 a month from Tropic. Okay, it is absolutely possible. If you work, same as anything else, if you work hard and set your mind to it. I'm not quite at the £20,000 a month level yet, I will say. But I'm supplementing the income that I'm already earning, so it's like a second job, and it really does help. So here we've got all of the information about the early inspirations to Tropic and how she started, you know, and our infinite purpose and things like that. If you are interested in starting a small business or adding a sideline to a business you're already running, because it's always good to have more than one egg in your basket, as it were, get in touch and we can have a chat. So there we go. So the infinite purpose is to be greener, to be empowered, and for cleaner beauty. Okay, so then we come to the products, and this is the main product, the most popular product, and that is the daily ABC essentials. I've sold heaps of these. There's ladies all over the place using these products because they are so awesome. Okay, you can buy them individually, you can buy them as a set. And if you buy them as a set, you get one of the masks. You get to choose one of those for free. Now, one thing that is new is that the Skin Feast, which is the nourishing cream concentrate, basically the fantastic moisturiser, now comes in a unscented version. Now, Tropic products are scented with essential oils, but those ladies and gents that have the very most sensitive of skin, you know, could have a reaction to essential oils. So now we have that absolutely without any essentials or oils, and fragrance free. So that's great for sensitive skin, super sensitive skin. So here we've got our masks. Those are the same, they're awesome. We've got our Blue Lagoon and our Super Greens. These are our serums. So this one's a blemish prevention, and this one is a nutrient boost. Okay, we've got the Fruit Peel, which is a resurfacing, and then we've got Glowberry. This is new. This is a brightening serum. So this is brand new, and it's absolutely, and it's a refillable bottle. You can get a refillable bottle and save money because there's lots of options to do that through the catalogue if you look carefully. So this has got, it's just got heaps and heaps and heaps of really fantastic natural products. I'm not going to read them all out because you can have a look in the catalogue. And then we've got Rainforest Dew. This is new, and this is a hydrating one. So this one is absolutely going to moisturise your face even deeper. Rainforest Dew. It's an amazing one. I'm due to receive my winter kit in the next few days, so when I do, I'll be sharing what I think of that. So keep your eyes open. We've got the Improved Skin Dream. So it's now got collagen boosting bakuchiol. I don't even know how to say that. These are tropical fruits from the tropics, genuine fruits and plant extracts that they use. So that's the whole collection, and you can buy the whole lot in one big box and save yourself absolutely heaps of money. So there you get in, and you can customize it to what you'd like. Okay. And then here we've got the Eye Bright. We've had that last time, which is awesome. Those aren't new. We've got the Elixir Age Defying Omega Oil. That is absolutely stunning. We've got the Tamanu Healing Balm. Now this is really, really, really awesome. And I've seen ladies are using this on cold sores, on things like eczema and all sorts of things. It's a really, really healing balm. We've got the Sun Care Discovery Kit there. And we've got, no, it's not Sun Care, beg your pardon, Skincare, which is the mini versions of the ABC so that you can try it out. Which is awesome because obviously it's a slightly reduced price. You can add the mini Tamanu balm if you want for an extra £10. So you can, you know, mix and match, do what you like. And here we've got the serums, was the word I'm looking for. So you can customise a trio of them, pick the 3 that go for you. You've got Glow Getter, Fresh Face and Confidence Boost, and you get 3 of those minis, you know, at a vastly, you know, obviously a smaller price because they're smaller. We've got the Beautiful Body Smooth, Perfect Skin. These are all, these are awesome because you're getting a set of 4 for £14 there. For you to try before you commit to buying the large ones. The Body Pebbles are not available at the moment. They're coming later on in October. Okay, and we've got the fantastic bath foams and the luxury body oils that you can almost imagine how amazing these smell. This is a trio of balms, and we've got one that says Recharge, Uplift and Unwind, so they look amazing, and that is a really good price as well. So these are classed as the aromatherapy edition, and it's for mood enhancement. How awesome is that? Now this apparently has been available before I joined Tropic and was super popular, and it's called the So Sleepy, and that one is a pillow mist. So you've got the pillow mist and you've got a refill, and you've also got this like balm that you put on your temples, and it's to help you relax and to sleep better. Okay, so we've got the hand ones, and it's the hand lotion and hand wash. This is for your feet. A walk on the beach. We've got the Ocean Fizz, the Foot Remedy and the Foot Pebble. These are the artificial tanning, aren't they? They're like, look at that one with all of that pigment in. That looks awesome. Perfecting Leg Serum. I'm going to have to try that actually. With gold shimmer particles. That looks awesome. So we've got those. Then we've got something for the men folk. Okay, so that they can have advantage of the fantastic natural products as well. Okay, and then we've got the hair care. Now I have been trying this. I'm going to try it until my bottle runs out, because they do say 28 days to get the full benefit of something. So when that's done, I'll give it a review. I'm enjoying it at the moment. Okay, and then we've got all of the beautiful makeups. Okay, and as you can see, they suit all skin tones and, you know, skin types from younger through to older skin. And you can customise your own palettes. You can pick and choose what you like. All all clean products as well. I was shocked when I looked through my makeup bag and then went and looked on the Think Dirty app at how many of them I've got harmful chemicals in and how many of them are actually tested on animals. I felt sick to my stomach, and I have actually thrown nearly half of my makeup bag away. Because you don't realise, they don't tell you these things, and that is where Tropic are, you know, come with the empowerment, because you're getting the knowledge. They're you know, they're very upfront and open, and they tell you everything and all the ingredients that's in everything. More makeup and lovely lipsticks. We've got the beautiful Luscious Lips Lip Fudge, which is super popular, and the Lip Glaze, which is also really, really popular. So there's some ideas of the colour palettes if you want to put those together, and again showing you that they are suitable for everybody. And then this is just a rundown of the products again, so we'll leave it at there. And then towards the end it tells you why join the family. Okay, so it's absolutely throwing it down here in Yorkshire. Why join the family? It's an opportunity to share fresh, naturally derived products, flexible hours that fit around your lifestyle, unlimited opportunities. Some of these ladies are going to Vietnam and Cambodia. You know, they've earned a trip over there. How amazing is that? 25% basic commission on orders, and that is from the start. 25%. The day you join, you earn 25%. There's no waiting time. There's no wait until you get to a certain level. It's 25% for everybody straight away. No monthly targets. You don't have to meet any targets. You can set goals and reach sales goals if you want, but you don't have to. There's no pressure to. And the other fantastic thing is there are no minimums with Tropic. All that you have to do to keep your account active is put through activity of £250 a year. A year. That's it, to stay active and keep your account open. So there are no monthly, weekly, quarterly minimums, none. All right. And also there's the fantastic charity work that Tropic do. So by being part of Tropic, you're being part of that as well. So if you are interested, it's £198 for the starter kit, where you get £400 worth of products. Okay, and it is genuinely £400 worth of products, and then you get a huge business starter kit with lots and lots of free catalogues. It's amazing. I was absolutely bowled over when I received my first kit. Couldn't believe it. So let's have a quick look at the luxury gift guide. So this is for your gift sets for the festive period. So we've got the mini body wash. And so basically it's a more concise booklet. The items are in the main catalogue, the same items, but they're all in the one place, so it's easier for you to find them. So we've got the mini complexion trio, the hair care discovery. These are £20, that's under £20. So for a gift for a loved one for the festive period, that's not bad. And another thing that you can do is things like the body wash and the serums. You can buy the box sets and then split them up. You know, stocking fillers for more than one person then. This is the hand and nail collection. The So Sleeper, like I said, and that one's got the mist and the temple balming for £20. I mean, that's pretty good. £20, not bad for a present for somebody. The body pebbles, as I say, are due in October. Lash extension kit. Now, this is really awesome. One of the ladies who joined my Tropic team tried this out, and it really genuinely is amazing. I might get one of these for one of my daughters for Christmas. Then we've got the signature hand collection, and they do come beautifully gift boxed. So they are, you know, beautiful gifts. We've got the skincare discovery kit there. Which is all the little ABC collection, and then you've got the option to add the Tamanu balm if you like. And then here we've got those cream balm trios we saw earlier in the larger catalogue, so that's another gift idea. Here we've got the lip glaze trio, and the mini luxury bath foam collection. So that comes boxed in a beautiful box, and those are the luxury ones. Tahitian vanilla and coconut, passion fruit and ginger, ginger lily, and monoi and orange flower in this luxurious collection. That sounds amazing. And then we've got one for the men folk, which it looks amazing. £30, not bad. And don't forget, if you join Tropic and become an ambassador, you get 25% from the straight away. You get 25% off of all of these items, so that would be good. We've got another male one there. We've got the Eye Bright collection, and we've got obviously the ABC Essentials if you would like to purchase that for somebody for Christmas. And with this collection here, the ABC collection, you can choose one of the masks for free. Okay. And the masks there as well are also now available in unscented. So you can have them in scented or unscented. The choice is yours. Okay. And then we've got, you know, a more concise range of the makeup. If you'd like to give that as gift giving. And then again, we've got the larger selection there, where you can pick which ones of these that you'd like. I think you get to pick 2 of the, you get the ABC, you get one of the masks. Let's have a look. Yeah, 2. Oh, you get 2 of those, 2 targeted skin treatments, and 1 freshly made mask. So you're going to get 2 of these and 1 of these, but you can customise it to what you'd like. You can have hydrate and nourish, brighten and renew, clear and balance. So that would be an awesome present for a daughter or a mother or a grandmother or an aunt or an uncle. Or you know, these aren't just for women. These products are natural. The smell is beautiful. I wouldn't say it's over feminine. It's very pretty and very light and very fruity. So you know, I think you could get away with it for anybody. So there you go. That is a rather lengthier than I envisaged run through of the catalogue. If you would like me to post you one of these, do get in touch. All of my links are in the description box below the video. I'm more than happy to post you one out if you live within the UK and you'd like to shop with me. All of my links to the Tropic, my Tropic website are in the description box below. You can come and join my Facebook group, add me as a friend, you know, and I'm always there to help. If you'd like any advice, especially if you'd like to become a bit of an entrepreneur. I call myself a mumpreneur because I like to do the direct sales companies, because it means that I can fit it around my family and I can be a stay-at-home mum. I don't know how many more years I'm going to get away with saying I'm a stay-at-home mum, but I quite like the lifestyle. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.